It's Sandra from Sandaroo Kids, and today we have a brand new episode of Morphle to check out, so let's see it.
Look, Morphle! There is snow outside of Daddy's magic pet store. That's strange. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer. Now you can push the snow away.
Hi, Mila and Morpho. Thank you for getting rid of the snow. The snow was made by Atmo, a new magic pet. It can control the weather, but it's a bit naughty. Huh?
Atmo is gone!
And he's making a storm. We need to find it before its mischief gets out of hand. Oh no! I think it went that way.
Let's go! Uh-oh!
The path is blocked.
Not in my city.
Whoa!
Oh no! We need to find Atmo! Watch out!
Atmo! You need to stop the storm! It must not be able to hear me through the storm. Atmo! You need to... Oh!
Oh no!
Oh, Atmo, I know you like playing with the weather, but that was dangerous.
I have an idea. Here, Atmo can use his weather powers to help out.
Oh no! Not my beautiful hat!
Mr. Mayor, what happened?
Oh, Mila, it's terrible. I was just walking around in our beautiful city thinking mayoral thoughts when someone drove by and stole my hat.
Don't worry, Mr. Mayor. We're on the job. Morphle, morph into a search dog.
Hold it right there. I saw who took the hat. It was you.
Morpho?
All right. What's going on here?
There you are, you thief! Give me back my doggy!
Are you saying Morphle stole from you?
Morphle would never do that.
Yes, he would. I just bought a birthday cake when Morphle drove by and grabbed it from my hands. Are you all sure it was Morphle?
Yes!
Well, well. Morphle a criminal. Not in my city. I'm going to have to take you to the police station, Morphle.
No, please. He didn't do anything.
Looks like they're gone. You can come out now, Yorn. They all think Morphle stole their stuff. Oh, this must be our best plan yet.
Yeah, let's steal some more.
Morpho, no criminal!
Don't worry, Morphle. I will prove you're innocent.
No! Give me back my apples!
So the bandits took all the stuff.
I can't believe it! Morphle took all my apples! Don't worry, sir. We've already caught Morphle. But it happened just now. Outstanding police work, if I say so myself.
Morphle didn't do it. It was the bandits. I saw them with my own eyes.
Now, Mila, you can't go around blaming everything on the bandits. Bye-bye now.
Ooh! Morphle, I know who did it. The bandits stole everything. But no one wants to believe me.
Mila, catch the bandits!
But I can't do it without you, Morphle.
Morpho, no catch! Morpho, a jail!
But I have an idea. Can you still hear me, Morphle?
Morpho here! Wacko!
Give me back my tools, Morphle.
Sounds like trouble. Go down, Morphle. Don't worry, Joe. We're on it.
What? Another Morphle?
faster, Morphle. We almost have them.
She's too fast, Stein. She's going to catch us.
We'll see about that.
No, 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 no! Slow down, Morphle.
Not so fast now, are you?
Morphle, turn around quickly.
Huh?
Again. We've done it, Morphle. Yeah!
Shh, shh. Quiet, Yawn. How did you get out of jail, Morphle? Trying to hide all your stolen loot, I see.
That's not Morphle. Those are the bandits.
Hey, wait a minute. This isn't Morphle.
That's what I've been telling you all along.
All right already. You've caught us. Uh-oh. I might have made a slight mistake. I'm very sorry I doubted you, Morphle. Of course you're not a criminal. And in light of your outstanding police work, I'll make you honorary police officers.
It was fun pretending to be Morphle. Right, Stein?
It sure was. Morph into a plane, Yawn.
No, you morph into a car, Stein.
Morphle, morph into a dolphin. Let's make the game more special. Aqualy, could you make a cool water stream in the shape of a ring? Oh, wow! That's so cool! Let's jump in! Here it comes!
Morphle have it! Morphle have it! Morphle no have it.
Oh man! Aqualy, can you make the water stream go to the ball? Swim over land? No way!
Morphle have it.
Hey, Mila and Morphle, what an awesome magic pet you have there.
This is Aqualy.
And it can create the most amazing water streams.
That's rad. We were thinking of getting some ice cream in the city, but it would be way cooler if we could surf there.
Hey, Aqualy! Do you want to create a water stream through the city? All aboard!
No, Razor! Stop it!
Hello, doggy. Oh, and hello, lady.
That looks like so much fun! Mila, can we join you guys? Sure! Aqualy, can you pick them up?
Oh, this is actually kind of fun.
Get back here, you bandits!
Aqualy, can you move the stream closer to the road so we can catch them?
We need to get out of here, Stein.
We can't! Our bandit mobile is broken! Looks like you're stuck. You might as well enjoy the ride. What a lousy day. I haven't had a single customer yet.
I hope you have enough ice cream because we're all very hungry.
Yes, of course. And I have so many flavors like a lemon, a strawberry, a chocolate, a banana, yogurt, a pineapple, and let's see, my favorite flavor, wood.
Well, you've caught us again.
Organic.
Are you going to take us to
there's
prison
grass.
now?
Let's see, a mug.
Well,
brick.
yes.
Did I say?
But don't you want some ice cream first?
But good. And if you like a spice in your life, we have a jalapeno death pepper surprise. Oh, that the one will open.
Morphle, wait! Where are you going? Ah, so this is what you were after. You smelled the other dogs.
Yes, little girl. This is the yearly dog agility course. Your pet can join too.
Ooh, let's compete, Morphle.
Aw, come on, Sammy. You can win this race.
Hey, Builder Lawrence, what's wrong?
My little Sammy doesn't want to do this race anymore because the big dogs are being mean to her. Poor Sammy.
Good job, Barky.
Don't be scared. Morphle isn't mean. Look. That's it, Morphle. Let's play with Sammy so she doesn't think you are scary anymore. Hey, guys, that was our ball. Can we have it back?
Is it? Well, finders keepers. If you really want to have it back, then why don't you try taking it?
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex.
Ah!
Morphle, but there's still a chance Sammy can win.
3, 2, 1, go!
Good job, Barky.
Oh, no.
Give them a dose of their own medicine, Morphle.
Oh, ho, ho! Hooray! You did it!
The award goes to this little one who beat the biggest of participants.
Here we are. I've heard that there is a very special magic pet on this island.
Morpho, wanna see?
Yeah, me too. Morphle, morph back into yourself so we can go into the jungle.
Ooh, I think I see it.
Let's go!
Are you ready, Daddy? Daddy?
Daddy gone!
Uh-oh. Let's go find him. Ah!
Monkey!
Maybe you can see Daddy from the trees. Morph into a monkey, Morphle.
Morpho now see Daddy! Scary!
Yeah. But when you're with me, I don't feel scared at all. Look, Morphle, that elephant's trunk is stuck underneath that tree.
Uh-oh!
Morphle, morph into an elephant as well, so you can lift up that tree.
Scary sound!
It is. I wonder where the sound comes from. Ooh, look over there, Morphle.
Pretty birdies!
Morphle, morph into a bird as well. Now fly up high and look if you can see Daddy.
Morpho now can see Daddy!
It sounded really close by, Morphle.
Yeah!
Oh, no! Mila! Morphle!
That's Daddy's voice. Let's go, Morphle.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Daddy now here?
No. Oh, look.
Is anyone there?
Hello, bird. So you were the one making that scary sound. That was great. Do you really think so? Yeah. You must be the magic pet Daddy told us.
Help!
Was that you? It wasn't me.
Real Daddy!
We need to help him.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Morph into a big dog.
Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and... you are the magic pet. Up, Telefox. I've got a surprise for you. Have a look in the backyard.
Morpho, look at you! Bicycle!
It's a new bed for Telefox.
He's gonna love it. I'll throw the old one away.
Oh, no surprise in the backyard!
Ta-da!
Telefox, no like!
Aw, I think he's looking for his old bed. I think he went outside. Let's go after him. Morphle, morph into a race car. Uh-oh, Telefox isn't on the car anymore. Look!
Ooh. Oh, no.
Hey, Telefox, I'm sure that's not your old bed.
Telefox, gone!
Ooh. Phew.
Oh, no.
What happened?
I got scared and threw my box of ice cream in the tree.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a fire truck.
Thank you so much. Now I can serve ice cream again. To you.
Ice cream!
Thank you.
Thank you!
But we don't know where Telefox went. Morphle, morph into a helicopter so we can see him from the air.
Shoot! I didn't mean to do that, Barky.
I think Telefox has been here too.
Barky! Stop it!
Yeah, but not anymore.
Where could he have... Aha! Daddy said he threw Telefox's old bed away. And where do things go when you throw them away?
Garbage dump!
Yeah! Oh, it smells in here. There it is! Telefox, we found your old bed!
Telefox!
Now let's take you and your bed back to the Magic Pet Store.
So, Telefox was looking for his old bed? Okay, you can keep it. After we wash the garbage smell out of it. Blah!
I think Daddy could use some help, Morphle. Morph into a digger.
What? Morphle, why did you do that?
Not good?
Now it's ruined.
We're sorry, Daddy. We were only trying to help.
It's okay. Just go help somewhere else.
to cut the grass over there, Daddy.
Sure. Be safe.
Morph into a cutter, Morphle.
La 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 la.
No! Morphle, stop!
What's going on here? Not my beautiful flowers. Why would you cut those?
We didn't mean to, Daddy.
Yard work needs precision. And you're way too big, Morphle. Now leave me to my work.
Maybe we can help Daddy a little by cleaning up those twigs and leaves. But we have to be very careful. Morphle, morph into a tiny bulldozer.
Oh, thank you, Mila. But where is Morphle? That's it! Out of the backyard, you two! Ah, finally done. What do you think, Mila and Morphle? Oh, right. I told them to leave, but they were only trying to help. I bet I can make it up to them. Mila, Morphle, could you come over here? Are you hungry?
Yeah!
I'm sorry I got angry at you guys. You were only trying to help.
Morpho sorry too. Next time, Morpho help more better.
Well, now that you mention it, the sun is really bright, and
Say no more. Morphle, morph into a parasol.
Wow! Thanks a lot, Morphle.
And that's to keep you cool, Morphle.
More ice cream!